Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the three-day Rising Sun Waterfest 2022 at Umiam Sports Complex. Speaking at the inaugural function, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, congratulating the organizers, said that a water festival of such magnitude is being organized in the state for the first time. He added that the government has tried to take advantage of such natural assets and create livelihood opportunities for the people of the state while ensuring that Meghalaya becomes one of the most preferred tourist destinations. The Indian Army and the state government, as a part of the Khelo India program, is organizing the rowing and sailing event for the first time. The event will also witness participation from elite pan-India clubs.
And we'd like to work at high targets. We'd like to have higher goals so that we can be able to achieve and make things so great that people of the country and people of the world should want to come here and say that we want to be here in Shillong, in Umiam, in the Rising Sun Water Festival.